Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setups for today. So now that we have 24/7 trading with my broker, I can actually use the 8-hour bars on the DAX, and that's kind of what we're doing this week. So you can see we're very much stuck in the range, and top of the range is 14,081. Bottom of the range is 13,573, and middle of the range is 1300. So that is the area that we're trading inside. If we look at the 3-hour, and you actually see it on the 8-hour as well, but you do see this inverse head and shoulders. There's a shoulder, head, and this double shoulder. So this is the line to watch for a move or a break to the upside. That's 14,081. So above that, I suppose I'll say above it, but a break above it, pull back, a retest. Then you have this gap first, 14,647, and then you also have the measured move, which will be something along those lines. And we just drop back to the 8-hour. You'll see that takes us almost back to the all-time highs. Anyway, that's kind of the structure that we have setting up at the moment. Not there just yet, so we need to be patient at the moment. If you look at the 1-hour, you can see we've got a moving average crossover of all the moving averages. Oscillators are grouped to the upside. I'm not too keen on that, so we'll have to wait and see what transpires today. It is not non-farm. It's the Fed song and dance this afternoon, so we need to wait for that press conference from the Feds to see which way we're going to go. So if they announce when they're going to raise interest rates, expect us to close probably down to this area, closing this gap. And if they announce a delay in the interest rate, or they're a little bit more dovish, then you can expect a break to the upside. So that's pretty much the moral of the story today. Until that happens, you might as well just toss a coin, because I don't think you're going to get much structure at the moment. So you can see yesterday's move, I gave you the triangle. We broke textbook retest, and in actual fact it's way better on the 5 minute. It's always good just to watch the open, and you can see a decent break here. Look at the rejection you've got of that 5 minutes. Decent area. Stop is up here of around 100 points, and you were looking for 223, 223 points, but that was basically this gap. Doesn't always close the gap. This gap's still open, but often it just comes straight onto the previous breakout, and then the people that are aiming for the gap get ambushed, and their stops get taken out with a move back to the upside. So that's pretty much what happened. But there was a fairly decent short move down to the gap. Okay, so for today, it's a clear sit on hands. Wait until the Feds are finished, and once the Feds are finished, we'll see whether we are breaking through 14,081, or whether we are heading back down to try and attempt a break below 13,577. That is the view. We do have a little gap open there, and we've got another gap open down here at 13,029. So that's kind of the view at the moment. I think patience is key today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.